Microsoft Teams, beyond video conferencing. Microsoft Teams is not just another video conferencing platform. It is a comprehensive collaboration tool that brings together virtual meetings, team communication, file sharing, and project management in one centralized hub. With features like group chat, task management, real-time communication, and document collaboration, Teams provides a seamless digital workspace for teams to work together efficiently, regardless of their physical location. Enhancing productivity. By integrating with other Microsoft applications like Microsoft 365, Teams offers a wide range of productivity tools to help teams stay organized and focused. From sharing documents and files to conducting webinar software and conference calls, Teams simplifies the process of remote collaboration and boosts overall productivity. Streamlining communication. Effective communication is key to any successful team, and Teams excels in providing a platform for clear and direct communication. With features like group chat, video calls, and messaging, Teams helps team members stay connected and informed, no matter where they are located. Creating a digital workplace. By offering a centralized location for team collaboration, document sharing, task management, and real-time communication, Teams helps organizations build a cohesive and efficient work environment that promotes innovation and creativity. Harnessing the power of the cloud. With seamless integration with other Microsoft applications and services, Teams offers a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to enhance their digital workplace and streamline their communication and collaboration processes. Conclusion. In conclusion, Microsoft Teams goes beyond just video conferencing to offer a comprehensive collaboration platform that revolutionizes how teams work together in today's digital world.